Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of story time. As you can see, I'm in a different place of my house. I don't know why I didn't do this last time. It's actually more quiet here. Yeah. So, this story I'm about to tell, which actually happened to me. So, there was a beatboxer named Jim. He loved beatboxing, but then suddenly he had a major cough. Then it was like stretched onto a month, and stretched onto a month, 2 months, then 3 months, then 4 months, then 5 months, all the way on to a year. So he went to a doctor and he told, I'm a beatboxer and I love beatboxing, but then suddenly I got a cough for 1 year. And then the doctor said, stop beatboxing. Jim said, but I make money from beatboxing. Then the doctor said, then save up. You can get more by earning more pocket money. And then the doctor laughed, and then the doctor told, anyway, here's your medicine that might take the cough. Guaranteed it will go away in a month, but worst case scenario, you will have a very, very bad sickness which will stretch on to 10 years. Then Jim told, okay, thank you, doctor. Jim paid the doctor and then went. He started saving up his money so that he wouldn't lose any money on buying something like a guitar or a piano. And then, so for a lot of time, for like a year, I think so, a year or 2 years, he drank the medicine, and then his cough got better and he started beatboxing again.